Is your Clash of Clans app lagging or working slowly on your low-end device and you can't play the game comfortably? Hi there, this is Erin Linda and here is how you can solve your lagging issues. So let's get started. First, open Setting. Scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Memory Extension. Toggle this option. Now go back. Scroll down to the developer option, make sure to turn on the developer option. Scroll down and find graphics driver preferences. Tap on it. Now find Clash of Clans gaming apps. Tap on the Clash of Clans. Choose the system graphic driver. Now go back. Scroll down and tap allow screen overlay on setting. After this process, now move on and follow the second process. To follow the second process, tap and hold the app, tap on it. Now tap Auto Start. Tap Other Permission. Tap Display pop-up windows while running in the background. Now go back. Tap Battery Saver. Tap No Restriction. Enable all the settings. Tap Clear Data. Choose Clear All Cache. Tap OK. Now if you still have issues with your Clash of Clans, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.